Namaskar Mitro, this is Mudit Mehrotra. So in this video, we'll be having a bit look at the unboxing followed by the review of these two products sent by good people from WOW. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. This face wash is enriched with organic certified Malian apple cider vinegar, aloe vera extract and hyaluronic acid. Its effective formulation helps in removing dirt, sweat and excess oil. The face wash bottle has built-in face brush made of soft silicone to effectively remove dead skin cells and lift impurities from the skin. Talking about the WOW UV Water Sunscreen, it gives your skin effective broad spectrum protection against sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. It also keeps skin hydrated and nourished. No streaks, no mess, no fuss. Just spray as and when required. The soft bristles of the brush help deep cleanse skin, purify pores and boost blood circulation for added glow. The rich foamy cleanser dissolves all impurities and washes away dirt and pollutants from skin surface and from within pores, so that your skin looks fabulously clean, smooth and glowing. Keep your skin hydrated and protected from sun's harsh rays with wowskinscience Sunscreen Water Spray SPF 30. The simple shake and spray action makes applying sunscreen very easy. Just shake the bottle and spray all over the face. Thank you for watching the video guys. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please like the video, share it and subscribe to the channel and join it. Even in this tough period of lockdown, WOW is providing home delivery of their products. For that, you just need to check the link in the description. I have provided the direct link to their official website from where you can buy them easily.